Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about KTM 390 Adventure X 2025 performance. The KTM 390 Adventure X 2025 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. Built for those who crave adventure, performance, and style, this machine blends rugged off-road capability with refined on-road comfort. Whether you're an urban explorer or a seasoned adventurer, the 390 Adventure X is designed to take you beyond boundaries, delivering an unmatched riding experience. With its sharp lines, aggressive stance, and signature KTM color scheme, it commands attention wherever it stands. As you step into an exclusive showroom, the KTM 390 Adventure X greets you with an aura of power and sophistication. The perfectly polished floor reflects the bike's striking silhouette, while ambient lighting enhances every sculpted detail. The bold and illuminated name KTM 390 Adventure X proudly adorns the display wall, reinforcing its identity as a high-performance machine. The showroom itself is a masterpiece, designed to create an immersive experience for motorcycle enthusiasts, where luxury meets adrenaline. At the heart of the 390 Adventure X lies a high-performance 373cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. This compact yet powerful unit delivers an exhilarating ride, offering seamless acceleration and smooth power delivery. With advanced fuel injection technology and a responsive throttle system, it ensures maximum efficiency without compromising performance. Whether carving through tight city streets or conquering rugged trails, this engine provides the perfect balance of power and precision. The 6-speed gearbox, paired with a slipper clutch, offers effortless gear transitions, allowing riders to push their limits with confidence. The trellis frame is the backbone of this adventure machine, providing strength, agility, and superior handling. The lightweight chassis ensures quick maneuverability, making it easy to navigate through varying terrains. Suspension duties are handled by premium WP Apex forks at the front and an adjustable monoshock at the rear, engineered to absorb impacts effortlessly. Whether tackling pothole-ridden streets or rocky mountain trails, the long travel suspension ensures a plush ride, keeping you comfortable and in control. The high ground clearance and reinforced skid plate further enhance its ability to take on any challenge. Technology plays a crucial role in enhancing the KTM 390 Adventure X's ride experience. The advanced digital instrument cluster displays real-time information, including speed, RPM, fuel levels, trip data, and gear position. The intuitive interface ensures riders can access essential details at a glance, making every ride safer and more enjoyable. A state-of-the-art LED lighting system illuminates the road ahead, providing maximum visibility in all conditions. The aggressive LED headlamp, sharp taillight, and stylish turn indicators add to the bike's premium appeal, ensuring you stand out on the road. Braking performance is top-notch, thanks to a high-performance disc brake system equipped with dual-channel ABS. This advanced safety feature prevents wheel lock-up, providing precise and controlled braking even on slippery surfaces. The off-road ABS mode enhances control on dirt trails, allowing riders to maintain stability when braking aggressively. Paired with premium all-terrain tires, the 390 Adventure X offers outstanding grip and traction, ensuring maximum confidence whether riding through rain-soaked streets or loose gravel paths. Every element is engineered for superior safety and performance. Designed for long-distance touring, the KTM 390 Adventure X offers exceptional comfort and practicality. The ergonomically designed seat provides ample support, ensuring a fatigue-free ride during extended journeys. The upright handlebar position and adjustable windscreen enhance rider comfort, reducing strain on the wrists and neck. Thoughtfully placed footpegs allow for both relaxed cruising and aggressive off-road riding. The motorcycle also features integrated mounting points, making it easy to equip luggage options for those long-haul adventures. Fuel efficiency is another standout feature of the 390 Adventure X. With an optimized fuel injection system and a large-capacity fuel tank, this bike ensures extended riding range, allowing riders to explore remote destinations without constant refueling stops. The efficient cooling system prevents overheating, ensuring peak performance even in extreme conditions. Whether riding through scorching deserts or icy mountain passes, the KTM 390 Adventure X is built to handle it all. Inside the showroom, the atmosphere is electric. The KTM 390 Adventure X sits on an elevated platform, bathed in high-intensity lights that highlight its muscular form. The glossy floor enhances the visual appeal, creating a mirror-like reflection that amplifies its aggressive stance. Large digital screens display breathtaking footage of the bike in action, tackling diverse terrains with ease. The showroom's premium decor, minimalist design, and KTM branding create an immersive experience, making every visitor feel like they are stepping into the future of adventure riding. Beyond aesthetics, the showroom offers a complete experience. Knowledgeable KTM experts provide in-depth insights into the bike's features, customization options, and service plans. Potential buyers can explore various accessories, from touring luggage to performance upgrades, ensuring their KTM 390 Adventure X is tailored to their specific needs. Test ride slots are available, allowing riders to experience firsthand the power, agility, and comfort of this adventure machine before making their decision. It's not just a showroom visit, it's an invitation to a lifestyle of exploration and freedom. For riders seeking an adventure motorcycle that balances power, precision, and versatility, the KTM 390 Adventure X is the ultimate choice. Whether navigating daily commutes, embarking on weekend getaways, or conquering off-road trails, this bike is built for all terrains. Its race-inspired DNA, coupled with state-of-the-art technology, ensures a thrilling and confident ride every time. The combination of lightweight agility, robust engineering, and high-end components makes it one of the most compelling adventure motorcycles in its class. KTM's legacy of performance and innovation is evident in every detail of the 390 Adventure X. Inspired by the brand's championship-winning rally bikes, this machine is engineered to push limits and redefine adventure motorcycling. From its rugged construction to its intelligent technology, every aspect is designed to offer an unmatched riding experience. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a beginner looking to enter the adventure segment, this motorcycle is the perfect companion for your journey. Owning the KTM 390 Adventure X is about more than just riding, it's about embracing a lifestyle of discovery, freedom, and adrenaline-fueled excitement. Every twist of the throttle, every corner you take, and every new destination you explore adds to the thrill of the adventure. This bike isn't just built to travel, it's built to conquer. From the urban jungle to the wild outdoors, the KTM 390 Adventure X turns every ride into a story worth telling. As it stands proudly in the showroom, surrounded by an atmosphere of luxury and exclusivity, the KTM 390 Adventure X awaits its next rider. This is more than just a motorcycle, it's an invitation to explore the unknown. The world is vast, the roads are endless, and the adventure is calling. The KTM 390 Adventure X is ready. The only question is, are you? Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.